Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. Our today's Diwali Specialist Mixture. Here are the ingredients for boondi. Rice powder 1 cup, gram flour 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder half teaspoon. Let's start preparing. Add rice powder to a bowl. Sieve gram powder to remove lumps and add to the rice powder. Add turmeric powder. Mix well. Now add water to it and blend well so that the lumps are dissolved. The consistency should be in such that it seeps through the slotted spoon easily. Now heat the pan. Pour oil to it. Taking the mixture in a glass will come handy while pouring. Now heat the oil in a pan. Pour the batter through slotted spoon over the pan directly and tap the handle gently so that the batter falls into the pan like tiny little balls. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes so that it comes out crispy. Now shift it to a strainer so that excess oil is drained. Continue the process. Boondi should be crispy. When you hold it and give little pressure, it should crush. Here are the ingredients for mixture. Cooking oil for deep frying, rice powder 3 cups, gram flour 1 cup, curry leaves 1 cup, flattened rice 1 cup. It's known as poha in North India and aval in South India. Peanuts 1 cup. Asafoetida 1/4 of a tablespoon. Roasted Bengal gram 1 cup. It's also called pottukadalai in South India. Chili powder according to your taste and salt to taste. Add rice powder into a bowl. Sieve the gram powder to remove lumps if any. Add to rice powder. Add turmeric powder and mix well. Pour water into it and knead well and form a dough out of it. Add little oil to avoid sticking to your hand and knead well. Grease the idiyappam maker. It's otherwise known as safe maker or murku maker. Grease the disc too. Place the disc into this safe maker. Use the disc with smaller pores. Put the dough into it. Close the lid. Meanwhile, heat the oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil gets heated, hold the safe maker in one hand and rotate the handle with the other hand directly into the pan. Once it gets fried, shift it to a strainer and allow the excess oil to drain. Repeat the process. Once it's done, fry peanuts. You can use the same oil. Now fry curry leaves. Before frying flattened rice, ensure that the pan has very little oil, not more than 2 tablespoons. This is because poha has the tendency to absorb much oil. You can fry poha for a minute and shift to a strainer. Now roast Bengal gram for 5 minutes until you observe a slight color change. Now crush the mixture you have already made so that it becomes into small pieces. Now add boondi, fried peanuts, poha, curry leaves, roasted Bengal gram and mix well. Now add asafoetida, chili powder, salt and mix well. mixture is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will come up with another Diwali special soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the preparation. Try making it and share the images with us to the email given in the description box.